Welcome to Prime Picks Lab. The best boots cleaner is probably one of the most essential products for anyone who values their footwear. From rugged leather work boots to delicate suede fashion boots, keeping them clean is key to their longevity and appearance. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of boot cleaners, exploring what makes a great cleaner, and how to choose the right one for your specific needs. Number 5. Chemical Guys Leather Care Kit. This kit is designed to bring your leather items back to life. It's perfect for car interiors, jackets, furniture, and more. Keep your leather looking and smelling its best with this simple solution. Cleaning and conditioning are essential for leather care. This kit provides both, ensuring your leather remains smooth and supple. It prevents drying, cracking, and fading, keeping it in top condition. First, the pH-balanced cleaner removes dirt and oils. Then, the conditioner, with its subtle leather scent, nourishes and protects. This process keeps it looking and feeling luxurious. Car enthusiasts trust Chemical Guys for top-quality products and expert support. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle. Join the worldwide community and experience the difference. This kit includes everything you need to care for your leather items. It's easy to use and provides professional quality results. Give it a try and see the difference it makes. What we like. This kit is your all-in-one solution for leather care. It cleans, conditions, and protects, ensuring your leather items stay in top condition. If you have leather furniture, car interiors, or any leather apparel, you should consider this kit to keep them looking their best. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The application was easy, and I appreciated that it didn't leave any sticky residue behind. My bag feels soft, smooth, shiny, and beautiful after. Number 4. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Kit. This kit is the perfect solution to keep your leather looking its best. It cleans and conditions, ensuring your leather stays soft and crack-free. It's a must-have for any leather owner. First, the cleaner removes dirt and grime. Then, the conditioner nourishes and restores the leather's natural scent. This two-step process provides the best results for your leather items. Over time, leather can dry out and lose its luster. This kit replenishes moisture, preventing cracking and fading. It helps to keep your leather looking new for longer. This kit is perfect for various leather items, including furniture, jackets, and shoes. It restores and protects all your leather goods. Keep everything looking and feeling its best with it. The formula is easy to use, simply apply, wipe, and buff. It's ideal for car interiors, sofas, and handbags. You'll achieve a luxurious leather look and feel effortlessly. What we like. This kit offers a simple two-step process to revitalize your leather. It cleans away dirt and grime, then conditions to restore suppleness and prevent cracking. If you are looking for a product that is easy to use and delivers instant results, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The cleaner worked well to remove dirt and grime, and the conditioner added a subtle, natural shine without being overly greasy or heavy. The application was easy, and I appreciated that it didn't leave any sticky residue behind. My bag feels soft, smooth, shiny, and beautiful after. Number 3. Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner. This leather cleaner from Chemical Guys keeps your leather seats and accessories clean. The gentle formula removes dirt, grease, and body oils from various leather materials. The pH-balanced formula ensures efficient cleaning while preserving the leather's strength. It penetrates the pores to lift and suspend dirt and oils, ensuring a thorough clean. Simply mist the cleaner onto the leather or a cleaning towel, then buff dry with a microfiber towel. The water-based surfactants clean and remove dirt, leaving no residue behind. This cleaner works on all leather items, including seats, jackets, shoes, and furniture. Everyone has something leather in their home, and this product can help keep it clean. Cleaning is easier and more enjoyable with this product. It removes dirt, grease, body oils, and light stains from various leather types, making the process quick and simple. To properly care for your leather, first clean it with this product. Then, use Chemical Guy's leather conditioner to nourish and protect the leather, leaving it smooth and fresh. Chemical Guys is a trusted brand for car care products, chosen by both beginners and professionals. It's more than just a brand, it's a lifestyle with a worldwide following. What we like. This leather cleaner is designed to be gentle yet effective, removing dirt and oils without harsh chemicals. It's safe for various leather types and synthetic materials. If you like a product that is versatile and easy to use on different surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. Super easy to use, and it doesn't leave that greasy shine like some other products do. Instead, it gives my seats a nice clean matte look, like fresh leather should. It works really well. Now the couch looks brand new. This works great. I have light-colored leather interior in my car that now looks like new. Does not require excessive scrubbing. Number 2. JobSite Boot Scrubber, All-Weather Industrial Shoe Cleaner. Tired of muddy floors? This heavy-duty boot scraper brush is designed to remove mud, sand, dirt, and more. It helps keep your floors clean and your home tidy. This boot scrubber requires mounting. It comes with hardware for various surfaces like wood, concrete, or even your truck step. Installation is straightforward. The scrubber is designed for a snug fit, creating friction to remove dirt effectively. This is what gives it the power to remove mud and debris from your shoes. Unlike other scrapers, this one won't rot or crack. The industrial metal frame and composite plastic sides withstand all weather conditions, making it perfect for outdoor use. Built tough by JobSite, the brand that works, this product is made by a Michigan-based small business. You can trust its durability and performance. What we like. This boot scrubber is built tough to handle all types of outdoor grime. Its robust design and durable materials ensure it can withstand any weather conditions. If you work outdoors or frequently encounter mud and dirt, you should consider this scrubber to keep your floors clean. What people say. The JobSite Original Boot Scrubber has been a reliable addition to our work facilities. With its sturdy and thoughtful design, it has proven its worth in keeping our workspace cleaner. The scrubber's effectiveness in cleaning muddy boots is commendable. Even after intense use, it doesn't clog with dirt and mud, which speaks to its durability and quality. Good size, well made, and heavy duty. Number 1. JobSite Boot Scrubber, Outdoor Shoe Scraper. This is the JobSite Boot Scrubber, designed to keep your shoes clean. It's built tough to handle whatever you throw at it, making it the perfect outdoor companion. Forget about complicated installations. This scrubber features side step plates that keep it firmly in place, so you can start cleaning right away. The extra-wide design means it can accommodate even the largest boots. It's made to make cleaning easy and efficient. This scrubber is built with heavy-duty materials, including high-density composite plastic and a welded metal frame. It's designed to withstand all weather conditions without rotting or cracking. Unlike other brands, this one uses heavy-duty plastic edges that won't rot or crack. It's built to last, no matter the weather. This product is built tough by JobSite, a Michigan-based small business. You can trust it to work as hard as you do. What we like. This boot scrubber offers a convenient and effective way to clean your boots without any installation. Its extra-wide design accommodates larger boots, and its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. If you like a hassle-free cleaning solution that's ready to use right away, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Super easy to use, didn't even need to nail it down. Super sturdy, fits all shoe sizes in our house and hasn't rusted while outside for over 1 year. It has the requisite side and sole brushes and a plate on each side to stand on with the foot not being cleaned if you don't have it secured, which allows you to move it from place to place. Works well, seems like it's built to last. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.